Welcome. Today we're addressing a silent threat to our health, plaque in our arteries. Your arteries are vital pathways that carry oxygen-rich blood from your heart to the rest of your body. But there's a hidden danger lurking within them, plaque. Imagine plaque as a sticky buildup that clings to the walls of your arteries. Over time, this buildup can restrict blood flow, much like a clogged pipe. Plaque builds up gradually over the years, often without any noticeable symptoms. You might not even know it's happening until a significant blockage occurs, leading to serious health problems like heart attack or stroke. By understanding the causes and taking steps to adopt a heart-healthy lifestyle, you can protect your arteries and safeguard your health. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Vitality Vision, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's continue. Let's explore beyond cholesterol and uncover the role of biofilms in plaque development. When we think of artery clogging plaque, cholesterol often takes center stage. While high cholesterol levels are a major contributor, there's another lesser-known culprit: biofilms. These microscopic communities of bacteria can wreak havoc on our arteries, accelerating plaque formation and increasing the risk of heart disease. Imagine biofilms as tiny, slimy cities that bacteria build within our arteries. These structures provide a protective haven for bacteria, allowing them to thrive and multiply. As biofilms grow larger, they can trap cholesterol and other substances, contributing to the buildup of plaque. The presence of biofilms can also trigger inflammation within the arteries, further exacerbating plaque formation. This chronic inflammation damages the artery walls, making them more susceptible to plaque buildup. By incorporating certain foods and lifestyle changes, we can disrupt these bacterial communities and reduce our risk of heart disease. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Make sure to ring the bell so you do not miss our latest uploads. Your support means the world to us and helps us bring you even more amazing content. Now let's get back to the video. The culprits: how diet and lifestyle fuel plaque formation. Our lifestyle choices, particularly our diet, play a crucial role in the development of plaque in our arteries. Consuming a diet high in unhealthy fats, sugar, and processed foods creates the perfect environment for plaque to flourish. Think of your arteries like pipes that carry water. Over time, if you pour greasy substances or sugary drinks down the drain, they can stick to the pipe walls, eventually causing a blockage. Similarly, a diet rich in saturated and trans fats found in fried foods, processed meats, and baked goods can contribute to plaque buildup in our arteries. Sugar is another major culprit. When we consume excessive amounts of sugar, our bodies produce more insulin, a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. Chronically high insulin levels can damage the lining of our arteries, making them more susceptible to plaque formation. By making healthier choices, we can significantly reduce our risk of plaque buildup. Fighting back essential nutrients for a plaque-free life. Our bodies are equipped with powerful allies in the fight against plaque-essential nutrients. These vital compounds, found in a variety of healthy foods, can help us break down plaque, reduce inflammation, and keep our arteries clear and healthy. One such nutrient is vitamin K2. Often overlooked, vitamin K2 plays a crucial role in directing calcium to our bones where it belongs, instead of allowing it to accumulate in our arteries. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant, also plays a vital role in artery health. It helps protect our arteries from damage caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that can harm our cells. Vitamin E, another potent antioxidant, works in synergy with vitamin C to protect our arteries from oxidative stress. Omega-3 fatty acids, found abundantly in fatty fish like salmon, are renowned for their heart-healthy benefits. These essential fats help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve cholesterol levels. By incorporating foods rich in these essential nutrients into our diet, we can combat plaque buildup and maintain optimal artery health. In the next segment, we will discuss some healthy options for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Omega-3, wild-caught salmon for healthy arteries. When it comes to heart-healthy fats, wild-caught salmon reigns supreme. This oily fish is a nutritional powerhouse packed with omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, which have been shown to reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve cholesterol levels. Omega-3 fatty acids act like a cleaning crew, helping to remove plaque buildup and improve blood flow. They also help make our blood less sticky, reducing the risk of blood clots that can lead to heart attack or stroke. Wild-caught salmon is preferable to farmed salmon for several reasons. First, wild salmon consume a natural diet of krill and other small fish, which are rich in omega-3s. Farmed salmon, on the other hand, are often fed a diet of soy and corn, which can lower their omega-3 content. Aim to include wild-caught salmon in your diet at least twice a week to reap its heart-healthy benefits. You can grill it, bake it, or poach it for a delicious and nutritious meal. Vitamin K2. Sauerkraut and hard cheeses for artery protection. While often overlooked, vitamin K2 plays a crucial role in maintaining artery health. Sauerkraut, a fermented cabbage dish, is an excellent source of vitamin K2. The fermentation process increases the vitamin K2 content, making it a nutritional powerhouse for artery health. Hard cheeses, such as cheddar, Swiss, and Gouda, are another excellent source of vitamin K2. These cheeses are made from the milk of cows that graze on pasture, which is naturally rich in vitamin K2. Incorporate sauerkraut and hard cheeses into your diet regularly to boost your vitamin K2 intake and support artery health. Add sauerkraut to sandwiches, salads, or enjoy it as a side dish. Vitamin C and E. Arugula, olive oil, and apple cider vinegar. Vitamin C and E are potent antioxidants that work synergistically to protect our arteries from damage caused by free radicals and oxidative stress. Arugula, a leafy green vegetable with a peppery flavor, is an excellent source of vitamin C. Olive oil, particularly extra virgin olive oil, is rich in vitamin E and monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to improve cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation. Choose extra virgin olive oil, which is cold-pressed and retains more of its beneficial nutrients. Apple cider vinegar, a fermented beverage made from apples, contains acetic acid, a compound that may help lower cholesterol levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Choose raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar, which contains beneficial bacteria and enzymes. Incorporate arugula, olive oil, and apple cider vinegar into your meals regularly to boost your intake of vitamin C and E and support artery health. The garlic factor. Boosting your nitric oxide for healthy blood flow should include garlic, a pungent bulb used in cuisines worldwide, is a nutritional powerhouse with impressive benefits for your artery health. It contains a compound called allicin, which is responsible for its characteristic aroma and numerous health benefits. Allicin has been shown to boost nitric oxide production in the body. Nitric oxide is a molecule that plays a crucial role in relaxing and widening blood vessels, improving blood flow, and lowering blood pressure. Studies have shown that garlic consumption can help lower blood pressure, reduce LDL bad cholesterol levels, and improve blood circulation. To maximize the benefits of garlic, crush or chop it and let it sit for a few minutes before cooking. Add garlic to stir-fries, soups, stews, or roast it alongside vegetables for a flavor boost and health benefits. The ultimate heart-healthy meal, a recipe for success. Now that we've explored the key nutrients and foods for artery health, let's combine them into a delicious and satisfying meal that will nourish your heart and protect your arteries. Let's make a delicious wild-caught salmon dish. Here's what you'll need. 4 wild-caught salmon fillets, 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1 cup sauerkraut, rinsed and drained 2 cloves garlic, minced 1 bag arugula, 1/4 cup cherry tomatoes, halved 1/4 cup red onion, thinly sliced 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon olive oil for the salad. Once we have all the ingredients, and I will list them below, we need to preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Next, we prepare the salmon. In a small bowl, combine the olive oil, garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. Rub this mixture evenly over the salmon fillets, ensuring each piece is well coated. Mix the sauerkraut. In another bowl, combine the rinsed sauerkraut with minced garlic and a drizzle of olive oil. Spread this mixture on a baking sheet and place the salmon on top. Now it is time to bake it. Place the baking sheet in the preheated oven and bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. Do not forget the salad. While the salmon is baking, assemble your salad. In a large bowl, combine the arugula, cherry tomatoes, and red onion. In a small bowl, whisk together the apple cider vinegar, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Drizzle the dressing over the salad and toss gently to combine. Once the salmon is ready, plate it alongside the sauerkraut and serve with the fresh salad on the side. Enjoy your delicious and healthy meal. Again, check below for all the ingredients. Beyond the plate lifestyle choices for a healthy heart. While a heart-healthy diet is paramount for preventing plaque buildup, it's essential to adopt a holistic approach that encompasses other lifestyle factors. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate-intensity exercise most days of the week. Exercise helps improve blood circulation, lower blood pressure, and boost good cholesterol levels. Chronic stress can contribute to inflammation and increase the risk of heart disease. Find healthy ways to manage stress such as yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep deprivation can disrupt hormone levels, increase inflammation, and elevate blood pressure. Smoking damages the lining of our arteries, lowers good cholesterol levels, and increases the risk of blood clots. Quitting smoking is one of the best things you can do for your heart health. Get regular checkups with your doctor to monitor your blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and overall cardiovascular health. Early detection and treatment of any potential problems are crucial for preventing heart disease. A lifetime of heart health, making every bite count. Taking care of our heart health is a lifelong journey, not a destination. By adopting a holistic approach that encompasses a heart-healthy diet, regular exercise, stress management, and other healthy habits, we can significantly reduce our risk of heart disease and live longer, healthier lives. Remember, every bite we take is an opportunity to nourish our bodies and protect our hearts. By making conscious choices and prioritizing our cardiovascular health, we can enjoy a lifetime of vitality and well-being. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and help our channel grow. Your support means a lot to us. Remember, the information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified health provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. Never disregard professional medical advice or delay in seeking it because of something you have seen or heard in this video. The creators of this video do not endorse any specific product, service, or treatment mentioned. Reliance on any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk.